Aloha folks, welcome back to another video. My name is Mark, Mr. Dividend Investor. Today I got something that I think you definitely need to put this on your watch list. I see a lot of potential, in my opinion, for this company to soar. As always, please remember this is not any financial advice. This is just my opinion. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are new to investing and you want to learn about which companies are great to invest on, whether it's dividends, growth stocks, or even penny stocks, you've come to the right channel. Definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me as well, as I look for these gems, these great companies that I personally invest on, and hopefully you will find some value to it, that you will join our little community, our ohana of investors. With that said, let's take a look at this company. Again, the company's name is Sunpower. The ticker symbol is SPWR. This company designs and manufactures high efficiency silicone solar cells and solar panels. So if you're on their website, you got all these information about their products, with some online estimates, consultations of the solar panels. One of the things that I found in Yahoo Finance is that they have expanded across 6 states. So some things like these I like to know, because then you see the direction that this company is going. So if you look down to this article, you can see that in the first quarter of 2021, they launched in different states like Arizona, Fresno, California, Florida, Denver, Colorado, North Carolina, and the DC Metro. So always good to see a company expanding. That is real positive. If we look now to the chart, you can see this market cap is 9 billion. 52-week range, the high is 54. At the time of this recording of this video, it was up 13%. It ended the day at 53, so it's going to hit that 52-week range possibly the next day, which is tomorrow. If you look down, performance outlook long term, it is a bull. Now if we look down through the earnings, you can see 4 beats for the past quarters. Looking down at the financials, you can see they did better in 2017. 2018 it went down, and then 2019 it started going up. The revenue earnings is gotten better from 2018 to the 19. If you look at the trends, you can see it's a mixture between a holds, a buy, strong buy. Currently right now it is in the high end. The average is 24. Now if we look at tip ranks, based on their price target, they priced it at 22. At the time this video is 53, so they just smashed that thing. The high would be 34, which they pretty much smashed it already. Their analysis, 13 of them rated as a hold, 8 hold, 3 sell, and 2 buys. Now if we look at CNN Business, on their analysis, you can see pretty much the same, but they projected this going down with a high of 39, medium 22, and low 12. So their analysis rated as 9 hold, 2 sells. Let's take a look at Webull, and let's take a look at what institutional holdings are doing. So based on the data, you can see 313 of the institutions hold it, with 47 of them increasing and 7 and 5 of them are just new. 45 of them decreased. So you can see there's nobody selling out. So again, if you are ready to start your investing journey, there is a link in the comment section where you can use the Webull link that I provide. If you deposit at least $100 in your first deposit, you get free stocks and I get free stocks. So you definitely want to consider that. Let's take a look at Yahoo Finance. In Yahoo Finance, you can basically see the top institutional holdings of this company. As you can see, in September 29, these companies are the ones that purchased or hold these shares. If you look at it, three of the companies have at least 10 million shares. You know, so you got like your Vanguard, BlackRock. So these are the well-known great companies. So I think it's interesting that these guys are really heavy on this stock. Now, if we look at bar chart, you can also see based on their analysis, they're currently on a hold. 3 months has been on hold. Their high target is 35. They shattered it already. They're over that price target. Now, if we look at more key statistics, you can see return on equity is still a negative. Return on assets is still a negative. If we look at the growth, you can see the 1 year return is about 514. 3 year return is 614. 5 year return is about 119%. So now if we look at the chart, you can see from the 3-month chart, the red is the 20-day average, the blue is the 50-day average. You can see a steady, I like it, a steady progression on up. It touched here on the 24, and it touched again on the 23. So it hasn't touched it yet. So it looks, in my opinion, it looks pretty good. Now, if we look at the volume seems to be in a great steady volume. Now if we look at the MACD, you can see it has crossed over, so that's why you see an upward trend. So if you follow the line, you can see it has increased as we go. So right now, if you look at the Rizzo, you can see it is overbought. It has reached overbought, so hopefully it'll go back down to this area between the 0.880 and the 0.21. Now, if we look at Robinhood, you can see also based on their analysis, 53% of them rated also as a hold. If you look at the performance for the week, it was up 46%. For the month, it's up 75%. 3 months, it's up 246. For the year, it's up 546. And the 5-year chart is 124. So if you look at the year, I like that. If you can see, it's a steady increase. 3 months is also a steady increase. 1 month, you can see a pattern of just slowly moving up. Yeah. So my take on this one, I'm definitely going to purchase more of these shares. I did purchase it a couple of weeks ago, then I sold it. I'm thinking I'm definitely going to go back into this position, possibly waiting for a dip, if at all possible. Target shares will be probably again 25 to 50, within those range. I see a potential with the Biden favoring these type of stocks, so definitely something to kind of consider. I see a lot of potential. I think this is one of those stocks that will skyrocket, in my opinion. As always, please remember to do your due diligence. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video. If you're not yet a subscriber, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on some of the stocks, some of the reviews that I do. Check out my other videos as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please be safe out there. Stay cool. Keep investing. and I'll catch you guys on the next video, all right? Aloha and take care.